Hey Roanoke Valley, I'm thrilled to share something truly amazing coming to Roanoke, Virginia.
Imagine a place where your creative dreams can leap off the drawing board and become a reality.
A place that has the tools you need to create whatever you can think of and people to teach you how to use them.
A place that fosters community and collaboration so that the area's greatest creative minds and skilled artisans can work together to build greater things.
We're establishing that place and that community right now, and we need your help.
We are Make Roanoke, a nonprofit community of makers, artisans, thinkers, and crafters bringing a makerspace to Roanoke Valley.
A makerspace isn't just any workshop. It's a creative haven with the tools, training, and community needed to bring your ideas to life. From electronics to embroidery, we've got you covered.
Make Roanoke has laid the foundation for a 3D printing lab, electronics station, wood shop, metal shop, laser cutter, and a fiber arts space.
But this makerspace isn't only about the tools, it's about you, the people.
Make Roanoke has brought together a thriving community of makers to bounce ideas off and push each other further.
Join us to be part of a vibrant community ranging from absolute beginners to seasoned experts, ready to grow, share, and make together.
We can't do it without your help though.
We're kickstarting this project to help fund our space and purchase tools.
By contributing to our Kickstarter, you're not just donating, you're becoming a foundational part of this creative hub.
Plus, there are some fantastic backer rewards available to you, from swag to show your support to one-of-a-kind items crafted by our makers.
We're already building our community and hosting classes and are ready to have a home base where members will have 24/7 access to work on their projects.
So whether you're looking to polish your skills, dive into a new hobby, or start a small business, Make Roanoke is the place to be.
So don't wait, contribute to this Kickstarter now and help us bring the dream to life and nurture the Roanoke creative scene.
Together, we can create, collaborate, and contribute not just to a makerspace, but to a brighter and more innovative future for us all.
Thanks for listening, and let's make something incredible together. See you at Make Roanoke.
I'll see you at Make Roanoke.
See you at Make Roanoke.
Хайде да се видиме в Make Roanoke.
See you at Make Roanoke.
See you at Make Roanoke.